Welcome to Managing Prospects. This is prospect tracking, and in this video we will go over how to track and how to keep track on your prospects on the warm Google Workspace account. So all of your cold accounts are redirected to the warm account, and this is for that. Unlike the cold accounts, the warm account is the account that you solely manage. Managing prospects is already such a leveraged activity that this is only something that should be outsourced once you have a rep. So a simple SOP for how to manage prospects can be found here, and you can go through it. It is like the summary of everything. Now we'll start over with opening the account. Firstly, you will need to open up the deliverability hub, the CRM, and the Loom Alchemy metrics tracker and the engaged prospect tracker. Simply right click on the Loom Alchemy folder right here and just click on open all, and it would open up all of these. So basically, as a rule of thumb, you won't need a VPN whenever logging into the warm account, as long as your own IP is not fucked up. So this however is only the case if you reside in a country like USA, UK or Canada. If you live in India or any of these countries and you want to reach out to the Western world, you still need to be logged in onto a VPN when using the warm account. Either way, logging onto the warm account must be done from an incognito window, just like the cold accounts. This because otherwise Google sometimes stores cache information, and in that case it would know ki you're from India or this country and you're using a VPN. So I would always recommend you use a VPN, and if possible try to open it in the incognito window, because that would give you the best results. Now head over to email and login. Then you basically verify and do all that and you log in. Now we will go over organizing the inbox. Once you have logged in the warm account, the first thing you do is organize your inbox, just like the cold account. So I'm not sure with Mystrica, most of the times there would be a lot of emails scrambled, but again if you are using Instantly or something else, chances are that all of your emails which are coming from your email warm-up, so Mystrica in your case maybe, are all basically in the inbox. So in that case you would not be able to delete them, but if possible try to create a filter for the warm emails as well. So those warm-up emails, try to create a filter for them. Then go to the spam folder, select all and mark them as not spam. Then we clear up the primary inbox. You will receive 5 types of email, and basically the first ones are newsletter emails, so same as the cold accounts, you can create a filter for them. Second one would be replies, we will go over this very soon. Third one would be out of office emails. As stated previously, if you receive an out of office auto reply, you will either receive it as a email, like as a reply in the same email thread, or as a new email sent to you. Either way you can delete the email. Then move on to the DMARC reports, same as the cold accounts, create a filter for that. Then bounces. Bounce email notifications or warm account are irrelevant, therefore we create filters around this. Click on the filter icon like this. Let me just show you how it is done. So you go to settings, you go to all settings, then you go to filters, and then you create a new filter, and here you have add like notification thing here, and basically has the word this thing right here, create a filter, and skip the inbox, mark it as red, right? Skip the inbox, mark it as red, and you will just create on click a filter. So like this you will find all of these, and these would be filtered out. So this is how you do this. Then moving forward, we will be talking about handling replies. Once you have cleaned the warm inbox, there should only be replies left to handle. So in your case, if you are getting like a lot of these which are very difficult to handle, I have tried creating filters around this because these have these certain tags in them, but for some reason these are not working for me. If they do, you can create filters around this as well. So let me just try has the word this, and then we click on create a filter, and yeah, it has like a lot of things. Skip the box, mark as red, create a filter, and all of these are gone now. So yeah, I guess there was some problem, but like this you can clear up your whole inbox. So let's say right here I will copy this, Control C, I'll go to settings, I'll go to see all settings, I'll go to filters, I'll create a new filter, has the word, create filter. So a lot of them are here now, and basically skip the box, mark as red. So now if I go to the inbox, it must be cleaner than before, right? So just like this you can fix things up. otherwise you can just search for your line. So basically search for your subject line. So we send subjects by the name of question. So if I search question, all of these people who are talking to us, you can easily find them by this name, like question for question for question for. तो आपको इस तरह से भी ये मिल जाएगा. Now we divide replies in two categories, a positive reply and a negative reply. A positive reply is anything that is not directly negative and therefore presents an opportunity for them to book if handled correctly. Sentences below are examples of positive reply. What is the cost? Sure, let me hear more. Reach back to us in 2 months. All of these are positive replies. Negative reply. A negative reply is when a prospect shows no interest in our offer. Examples could be found below. Not interested, unsubscribe, stop, something like that. We created labels when configuring the account to use the Google's native system to organize these replies. We have 4 different labels in which the prospects can be either booked, engaged, no show or not interested. So basically in order of popularity, not interested आपका सबसे ऊपर है, then it's engaged, then it's booked and then it's no show. So not interested, this is the label that you will be using the most. If a prospect's reply is classified as being negative, you simply send them a reply and drag them into the not interested label. All instructions on how to reply would be gone over in reply flow, which is going to be the next video. Once you have labeled the lead, go to the CRM and color the lead red from script column to FUP3 column. So basically let's say, let me just open the CRM as well. Let's say Manoj right here said I'm not interested here, so I will select this all from script till FUP3 and I will mark it as red, right? And this gray one, if you don't remember from the last session, this is basically for any email that is undeliverable, right? Once this is done, then we do not we do not respond to rude prospects or fuck offs if there is, because there is literally no point, and they would most likely mark our emails as spam and get back to us. So we do not re-email these people or follow up on them. So if anyone is rude with you, just ignore them, उनको not interested में डाल दो. अगर कोई तुम्हें not interested कहता है, still there are ways by which you can get them on a call, and about that we will be talking in reply flow. Now second one is engaged. This label is used every time a prospect's reply is categorized as being positive. At this point, your prospect will either want to book a call straight away or gather information to find out if it's worth their time to book a call. If they want to book a call straight away, send them a templated response and drag them into the engaged label. If they have got questions, work around it in a reply and also drag them into the engaged label. तो let's say इन्होंने यहाँ मुझसे कुछ पूछा कि is it through SEO, तो I replied कि we used inbound, outbound and sometimes paid ads to deliver the results. And then I drag them into engaged. Like this, आप इनको engaged में drag करेंगे. Then basically what you do is, once you have labeled the lead, go to the CRM and color the lead yellow from column script to FUP3. तो यहाँ पे let's say इन्होंने हमें किया, तो मैं इनको select करके यहाँ पे yellow color कर दूँगा, ठीक है, like this. Once this is done, then note that when the prospect is added to the engaged label, you also add them into the engaged prospect tracker sheet. तो यहाँ पे engaged prospect tracker sheet है, you are going to open it, let's say for the month of July. यहाँ पे आप उनका नेम डालेंगे आदित्य, देन आप यहाँ पे डेट डालेंगे जिस दिन आपने ईमेल भेजा था, देन आप यहाँ पे उनकी ईमेल आईडी डालेंगे, फ़ोन नंबर है वो डालेंगे, फेसबुक या लिंक्डइन आईडी है वो डालेंगे, एंड देन यू कैन गो थ्रू ऑल ऑफ दीज FUPs as well. So basically once this is done, third one is booked. This label is used every time an engaged prospect books a call. तो let's say यहाँ पे मैंने इनको मेल भेजा एंड अब ये मेरे को रिप्लाई करती हैं कि I have booked a call, right? यहाँ पे मैंने गलत लिंक भेज दिया था, that was my mistake, but your link is not working. तो like this, let's say अगर इन्होंने बुक कर ली होती तो I would go to my engaged and I would select them and I would put them on booked, जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने इनको booked में डाल दिया है, right? तो that's the thing. Now once this is done, it's basically for that. So every time someone books through the Loom CTA without sending a reply via email, if the prospect books via email conversation, simply send them a booking confirmation email from your templates and drag them into the booked label. तो अगर किसी ने बुक कर लिया है, लेट्स से इन्होंने यहाँ पे बोला कि आई हैव बुक्ड, तो आप इनको रिप्लाई करेंगे एंड यहाँ पे जाके टेम्पलेट्स पे जाके यू विल जस्ट पुट डाउन अ टेम्पलेट ऑफ बुकिंग कन्फर्मेशन लाइक दिस, राइट. तो ये आप यहाँ पे उनको भेज देंगे. लेट मी ओपन दिस अप. ऑलराइट, आई गेस इट्स फाइन. तो you will do that, and basically if the lead books directly through the Loom CTA without sending an email, use the booking details to cross check what lead booked, then send them the booking confirmation email and drag that sole email straight to the booked label. Once a prospect books, you also remove them from the engaged prospect tracker. तो लेट्स से यहाँ पे इन्होंने अगर कॉल बुक कर ली है, तो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज़ आई कैन आइदर मार्क देम एज रेड, दैट वुड बी मोर बेटर. आप उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन दे, लाइक आपके पास उनकी इन्फॉर्मेशन देगी, अदरवाइज यू कैन जस्ट रिमूव इट और यू कैन बेसिकली डू अ स्ट्राइक थ्रू. तो दीज आर सम थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू. Also, once you have labeled the lead, go to the CRM and color the lead green from script to FUP column. तो यहाँ पे लेट से मैंने सेलेक्ट किया, आई वुड फ्रॉम यहाँ से FUP3 तक आई वुड color them as green. ठीक है. So this is basically for that. Now no show, this is the least used and we use it every time a prospect does not show up on a call. If you have set up the Calendly event like previously advised by us, you should expect a no show happening 10 to 20% of the time. Handling no shows has gone over in sales module. You can find that in the SOPs. All in all, when you get a positive response, it's imperative you label the email chain and prospect as engaged. Once they have booked, you label them as booked, and if they book and don't show, you label them as not showing, like no show. तो लेट्स से यहाँ पे booked में ये हमारे साथ लेट्स से for some reason आए नहीं कॉल पे, तो आई एम गोइंग टू कॉपी them and I'm going to put them into not interested. That's the thing. So sorry, not interested, I'm going to put them into a no show. So like this, you are going to do that. All prospects should have one label and no more. They cannot be engaged and booked at the same time. Be sure they only have one label and it's always accurate. This will be essential to other systems that we use later on. Once all replies are handwritten, warm inboxes empty, close down the incognito window. Following up. As you are getting more and more engaged prospects, your engaged prospect tracker will slowly start to fill up. तो यहाँ पे आपको 10-15 नाम दिखेंगे. Follow up daily or every 2 days with the prospects in the tracker. Keep the time zone differences in mind when doing this, as you calling a prospect at 3 AM would not lead to a booking. We have two different follow-up workflow, one for prospects in engaged label and one for prospects in no-show label. No-show label wala is already in the SOPs, but for these like for the engaged prospects, we are going to cover that very soon. We only follow up with prospects that are in the yellow label or in the no-show label. If you are following up with a prospect that has another label, then you have made a mistake. ना लाल वाले, ना ही तो आप not interested वाले लोगों को follow up करेंगे and ना ही आप booked वाले लोगों के साथ follow up करेंगे. Again, no-show वाला भी आपको sales module में मिल जाएगा. And let's talk about the engaged follow-ups. You should have created 8 templates with all the form follow-ups. Once in the engaged prospect sheet, go to the appropriate yellow label in your warm inbox. Right click the email thread, reply, click on 3 dots, template, choose the appropriate template, edit the name if anything is there to be edited, and then we just simply send it. So let's say मुझे अगर इनको follow up करना है, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on reply, click on this template, FUP3, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट नेम हटाया एंड यहाँ पे कैलेंडली का लिंक ऊपर से पेस्ट किया, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V एंड लाइक दिस यू कैन सेंड इट. तो दिस इज़ हाउ यू डू इट. एंड देन आप इसको ड्रैग करके FUP3 में डालेंगे. तो ऑफकोर्स इट वुड गो लाइक FUP1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then you can open Skype and you can double dial them. By double dialing, if you have the number, of course, by double dialing what I mean is the first dial, then instantly do the second dial, and this would break the silence. If you have them on phone, do everything in our power to get the call booked in there. Do not be afraid of confrontation. Also, do not answer their questions, deflect them and say that you have a call in 2 minutes, but you are happy to explain it on the call. And each deflection with a question progressing the call. So if they do pick up, say the following कि hey my name is Aditya, how are you doing? वो कुछ बोलेंगे, बोलना sweet, yeah, I'm just calling because you mailed me a while back saying you were interested in partnering up with us to help your agency get more calls and clients. I sent you a video if that rings a bell. We're awesome. Did you want to get a call booked in now to chat about that? कूल, वी हैव शॉर्ट बट स्वीट क्वालिफिकेशन प्रोग्रेस, माइंड इफ आई आस्क यू अ कपल क्वेश्चंस. फिर आप कैलेंडली वाले सारे क्वेश्चंस उनसे पूछ के बुक कर देना एंड जस्ट आस्क देम कि इज़ देयर एनी रीज़न असाइड फ्रॉम एन अर्थक्वेक और अ मीटियोर स्ट्राइक दैट माइट स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम मेकिंग दैट टाइम. वो बोलेंगे नो नो एंड आप उनको बोल देना ओके थैंक यू एंड डन. Never ever be scared of messing up a potential booking by calling people and bottling it up on the phone. If people don't schedule when you call them, they probably would not have scheduled either way. तो on the next prospect सिंपली आप दोबारा ट्राई करिए. अगर किसी के ऊपर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि कॉल करके आपने चांस बेकार कर दिया, इट डज़ नॉट रियली मैटर. If they do not answer, do not leave a voice message. Simply send them a message on WhatsApp. If they don't have WhatsApp, send them a message via Skype. You can create 8 follow-up templates like this here for your WhatsApp और Skype as well. तो इसमें मैंने कुछ examples दिए हैं. इसी तरह से आप यहाँ पे भी 8 follow-ups का एक chain बना सकते हैं. Once you have followed up on the prospects, you update the day of today in the engaged prospect tracker sheet. तो यहाँ पे आप सारी dates डाल देंगे, किसको कौन से दिन आपने कौन सा follow-up किया, and basically drag them into the next FUP label in the inbox. If after 8 attempts they don't reply, drag them in the not interested label. When an engaged prospect books a call, you remove them from the engaged prospect tracker sheet or else you mark them green like this. So that was basically it for managing prospects. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Have a great day.